This one's called Bunny Bounce, where we do our bunny hop move.
Can you see the bunny bounce through the hedgerows and the fields? Then he stops and lifts his nose before kicking up his heels. We can all be bunnies too if we crouch down on our toes. Wobbly, get set, go. Let's strike that bunny pose. Now to bounce, 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 you put your hands down, down. Then you hop up your feet to the bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop beat. Do a little hop, do a big hop. Bounce up, 1, 2, 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bunnies is all I see. Bounce like a bunny, hop like a bunny. Bounce like a bunny, hop like a bunny. If you hop like a bunny, you can bounce like a bunny. You can hop till the day is done. You put your hands down, down. Then you hop up your feet to the bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop beat. How we love to bounce all day. Skip and hop and jump and play. Bouncing in the sun. Being bunnies is so much fun. That's the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce. If you hop like a bunny, you can bounce like a bunny. You can hop till the day is done. Before we say goodbye, let's bunny bounce one more time. Now that hop is in your feet. Let's go everyone with the bunny hop beat.